Hi, welcome back to today's YouTube video. So for today's video we'll be doing a hair tutorial, basically a ponytail using braids extension, braid crochet extension. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the red subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hit the like button, leave a comment down in the comment section, and let's get into the video. So first off, you need to get your hair braided already if you are going to be having a braided look, either a chuku, or you can go for your natural hair. Just pack it up and gel it. If you are looking for a video on that, I have one on my channel, how to slick down your natural hair into a ponytail. Then you get your extension, the extension you'll be using for your hair. So this is one I'll be using for today's video. Just one pack. Get your crochet pin, get your hair pack. I'm using two. I'll put it down in the description, but if you're interested to know how much the hair is and the name of the hair. So this is it. 2 bundles in one pack. So 31 in a bundle, so 31 in this other bundle, so that's 62 for one pack. So now basically we're going to be crocheting the crochet hole here, your crochet pin, and the hair pack you'll be pass it through the loop here. Then you unlatch so this is one done. Again, loop it through the hair pack. Put the crochet hair into the loop, then you unlatch it. This might take some getting used to, guys. Just be patient. Or you can even just use your fingers to pass them through if the crochet hook is big, so you don't have to use your pin. So just be doing that. We need to have patience, guys. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing.
Yes, teacher Wanchuku.
So it's just a crochet hack, ponytail hack, lazy girl hair tutorial. So almost done with the first bunch. this is the last one in the first bunch. Look at how it looks. So if you're okay with the quantity, you can always just leave it at that, or just add a few more to make it full. Okay, so this is it. I have a few more left, but I'm okay with how it feels now, so I'll just attach it onto my small puff here. Then you just take some and just wrap it around. And this is the final look. So this is it. Simple crochet ponytail. So this is the ponytail. Earlier I styled it up in a bun. This is it, just letting it fall down. You can see how long it looks and how cute the hair looks as well. So what do you think? Would you be trying this look out? Would you be trying this hairstyle out? Crochet ponytail, easy to do. No ponytail nets involved, just your hair pack, the hair extension you'll be using, and packing your hair up. Simple, easy to do. So this is it. I just packed it up into the bun and it looks really cute. This is just it. It didn't take too much time. Attaching the crochet onto your hair pack, then you place it on your head, then you can style as desired. And this is the hairstyle I'm going for. So yes, if you like this crochet ponytail and you'll be trying it out, give this video a thumbs up and let me know it down in the comment section. If you have any questions in regards to this hair tutorial, let me know as well. If you're also interested in this natural makeup look, I'll leave the video to this in the cards and in the description bar below. Do check it out, and if you have any video suggestions for me, leave them down as well in the comment section. Do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. See you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, photos time.
Photos. Oh my god, I don't want to be tiny comfortable.